Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods, and this video I'm going to be showing you two methods how to make money with eBook PLR products. Now I realize I do have quite a few PLR tutorials, and I have a premium course, PLR Profits Academy. You can go below and go to the resources section and check out the course if it's something you are looking for. Now this is something that I am going to continue with on this channel. It will be one of the topics that I talk about. The channel will not just be about PLR, but I will probably put out one PLR video per week to keep the subscribers that subscribe to me with PLR topics, to keep you guys happy and getting fresh PLR content weekly. So with that said, let's jump into the video. We are on my favorite place to get PLR. It's called Bigproductstore. You can actually go to pick up one of their memberships. They always have different sales. Now we can see what their current sale is right now at the time of this recording. You can get, it's normally a $30 a month membership, but you're getting 63% off right now if you sign up. So only $9.95, or this is the exact price I paid, which was $98 one-time payment, and you get unlimited access and downloads to the site for the entire lifetime, and no per product licensing fee. So super cool. This is definitely worth it. If you're serious about making money with PLR product, you're going to need to find your sources of where you're going to get PLR from. There's a lot of other PLR places to get products from, and this is one of the bigger sites that is similar to IDPLR and PLR Assassin. Those are the other two competitors that come to mind. I just put Bigproductstore as a little bit higher quality. I just feel like the site is ran better, and they do have updates to their software. They have customer service, and it's just a way better site. So if you're interested in picking up Bigproductstore membership, go ahead and click the link below and to check it out. Let's jump into the tutorial real quick. So I'm going to go over here to products. I like how we can just go into any type of PLR product that we want to look at. And in today's tutorial, we're going to be looking at ebooks. And I will say that ebooks is my favorite, and it's one of the ones that I use the most because it's all the content's there. It's usually broken up into chapters, which the chapters can be used for several different things. So I'm going to come over here. We're just going to grab one that was uploaded a few days ago, high conversion secrets. You just click on this and you can see master resale rights, private label rights. And guess what? Here's something that I've just kind of realized, that the people that are uploading these, the original authors that are agreeing to whatever license they're going to put on here, sometimes they actually don't understand the difference between master resale rights and PLR rights and resale rights and all the different licensings that you can put on these. So really the best way to do this is to just, because a lot of times master resale rights has more authority, or is giving you more authority than private label rights. But then sometimes that's just not true, because I just opened up a book that had master resale rights that did not allow you to modify the content at all. And then in this book, we're going to go ahead and download it. You're just going to click the download button when you have a membership. And once you download it, you will come up to here, and this is what high conversion secrets looks like. Now, if you come over here to the license right here and open that up, you can actually look right here, private label rights, terms and conditions. Now, a lot of times private label rights does not have all this stuff. So there's not like a one size fits all for the licensing. You've just got to open up the licensing and just make sure that you're following what this particular item's rules are. It really doesn't matter what the actual license is titled. This could be master resale rights or private label rights or resale rights. Really what's important is looking down here at all the things that you're allowed to do and making sure that you're not doing anything that you're not supposed to do, which is giving this product away for free. So we're not going to be doing that because we're focused on making money with PLR, right? And then can be added to free membership websites. So you also, so if you have a free membership website, you can't use it. But if you had a paid membership site, like right here, look, can be added into a paid membership website. Who would have a free membership website? I actually haven't really seen one of those. I guess it can't be a free item. If you had a PLR store and you offered 100 items for free and then you had 5,000 items that were paid, you couldn't include this as one of the free items is what that's saying. So pretty easy to follow those rules, but here's what we're really looking for. You can do all this stuff, modify graphics, do everything, but you can put your name on it, you can resell it, you can give the rights to resell, all kinds of good stuff. But here's what we're really looking for. Yes, we can modify, change the main product, okay? So that is a yes on this one. So we're going to move forward with the strategy. So we come back in over here. We actually go into the ebook, and it came with all the different, it comes with a PDF, a notepad text file, and also a Word document. I love it when they have the Word document because then you're able to just pop that right on open. You're able to see that this is 4,000 words. It's high quality. And this is what it looks like. Don't really need that image on there, but that's nice. And you can see right here, it's got the 6 chapters, conclusion, top resources, all that kind of good stuff. So right here, drafting a high converting sales copy. So let's just say right here, drafting, we're going to click on this and then go right to it. Drafting a high converting sales copy. So let's just say high converting sales copy. I'm going to take that keyword real quick. I'm going to come back to YouTube. I'm going to use vidIQ and I'm going to go to Keyword Inspector, and then we're going to go ahead and paste high converting sales copy in here and just see what else comes up, see what keywords we can use. So this exact high converting sales copy is used 935 times. It's very low competition. So there's a good chance that if we make a YouTube video about this, that we can get views because it's just so low competition, but it does have searches, right? So you can come through here and actually start looking at some higher value. Sales page copywriting is very low, but it has a lot more searches. So sales page copywriting, high converting sales copy, they all have, you're going to be able to rank for multiple types of keywords, high converting landing pages. So we're going to stick with it. Yes, this is an actual keyword, and yes, it gets search volume, and it is very low competition. So we're going to go with that. Next, what we're going to want to do is, so what we're going to be doing in this first strategy is we're going to take the content and we're going to actually turn it into a YouTube channel or to a YouTube video for a channel that has specifically to do with copywriting, or if you have something that, if you have a little bit broader YouTube channel, then you can actually use this as just a video series. Or a playlist series where you would just be including all of these in here. So each one of these can be a video. So now you're using PLR. You have the rights to do this. We're going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 6 videos can be created from this. The content is already there. Nobody else is going out and doing this. No one is going out and spending the time to create a high quality video from this PLR. Most people are just grabbing this as is and going and re-uploading it to Amazon or something like that. And guess what? It's not 2012 anymore. That just does not work. You're going to have to put in some work in order to make money from this method. So we're going to go drafting a high converting sales copy, and we can just go ahead and grab this whole content right here to the next chapter. Okay. And I like to look down here and just see, okay, cool. I'm glad that it's under 1,000 because this will give us about a 5 or 6 minute video. I don't want my videos to be too long with this strategy. And so we're at 885 words. We're going to go ahead and copy that. Then we're going to go back in over here and we're going to go over to a software called Pictory, and we're going to go ahead and start over here. We're going to paste our text in here. So we have our text in here, and then we're going to just push the proceed button, and we're going to make it you can use it for any, TikTok videos or Instagram videos, but we're going to use it for YouTube. So it's a 16:9. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to go out there and create the video. I'll be back when it is done. Okay. And just like that, it took about all of 20 to 30 seconds. And this is what it will spit out, which is really cool. It's going to go out there and actually create all these scenes, bring in different slides, just like just like you would have gotten from Vidnami previously, which is now gone. So now we have this wonderful software to use. We can go ahead and we can go into the story mode. You can actually delete any content that you want from here. We can also go in here to audio, and we can have a voiceover uploaded. So you can go out to Fiverr. If you want to make this even more unique, you can go and outsource the voiceover to Fiverr, which is going to cost a little bit of an investment. You can probably get 800 words done for $5 to $10. Or you can just use the voiceovers that are inside here. And I know that some of the questions will be, can you monetize this content? There are thousands of channels that are monetized and approved with YouTube monetization with using AI voice generated text to speech, but that is up to you if you're going to go down that route. For me personally, I would hire. If once you have to monitor your YouTube channel, right? So if you're using these types of videos and you're watching your watch time hours and you're not monetized yet, once you're getting close to getting monetization, you might want to start using the real voiceovers from the human generated. And then when they do the manual review, then you'll be much more likely to pass because you've been using real voice. But that's not to say that you can't use voiceovers from auto generated. Okay. So we're going to go through here and I'm just going to say apply right here. And then we'll come back over to the story and we can go to styles and we can check and see if there's some different styles we want to use. That one's cool. So let's just grab that one and then back up to story. And then we can go over here and actually look at a preview real quick.
When it comes to your sales, a very narrow focus so that you're able to communicate with your visitor and convince them to purchase your product. Keep your sales copy constantly engaging your potential customer. If your sales copy does about your product, don't expect that it will convert visitors into customers.
All right. So, that AI voice is actually not bad. It's definitely, you can tell that it's an AI voice and that it is not human. There are a few different options out there that I think Well Said Labs and Lovo that have much better sounding voices, but I still believe we're just not quite at that area right now with that technology where you literally can create an AI voice and not be able to tell the difference. So, like I said, you can use what's in here and your video would be done in 5 minutes, or you can go and outsource your voiceover and then, and I'll make a tutorial on exactly how to sync voiceovers and all that in Pictory. I'm not going to do that in this video because this video would end up being an hour long, but you can now inside of Pictory, you can actually upload a full voiceover and sync it really well. So then you would just come over here when you're satisfied and you would generate and push the generate video and you would go and upload that video to your YouTube channel and focus on, like we went into YouTube, focus on these, keywords that have traffic. Verify that it actually is a keyword that gets searched for. And if it's a new channel and you're not monetized, you're most likely not getting a lot of views. So you want to focus on some low competition keywords so you can start getting some traction on your channel. And then you can start moving to the higher competition keywords. So let's move on to method number 2. So we're going to go back into the book real quick. We're going to grab our text. Now I already alluded to this a little bit. If we just grab this book, and then we go and upload it to Amazon or Draft2 Digital or something like that, it's most likely not going to get approved. The instant that this comes out, there's dozens of people that already go and do that, and it gets through once or twice, but then it gets hard stamped and there's a database that's created and it will not pass because it will be flagged for PLR content. And I actually got one of these flags the other day. So this is actually true. You will get flagged from the different places that I upload this content to if you don't modify it. So you're going to have to, again, put in some work and you're going to have the right tools. But we're going to go ahead and grab just this text. But really what you would do is grab this entire book and create an ebook. And we're going to come over here. We're going to use Quilbot. So once you're in Quilbot, now this is just a really, really good paraphraser or article spinner or rewriter. And what we're going to do here is just going to go ahead and come through here. And I like to go with this first dial right here. And I like to go with either standard or fluency. I'm going to go with fluency, and then we are just going to paste the content in here. So all that content from that chapter is in here. Now you can actually paste that entire book. This will You could do 2 chapters at a time. So just going to rewrite, and then you're going to go ahead and push the paraphrase button. And I also like Quilbot because it's just super fast. Now watch it at work. It's just super, super fast. It's going out there and actually rewriting the content for us. And you can actually pause the video and read this. It's 98 to 99% accurate. You're not going to really need to go through and do a whole lot of editing because it really does have good first choices. It really does sound like a human wrote the content, but we're changing the content up enough to where it's going to be unique. And so we're going to go ahead and grab that. Now you can actually copy this text. Okay, copy the text when you're done rewriting it, and you can actually go over here to the grammar checker, which I like to use that tool in here as well. You can come through here and just paste that in here, and now it's going to go out there and just find all the different things that need fixed in the document. It's found 27 errors. We can fix them all at once, which is a brilliant way to do this. So you just click it. Everything's good. Now we would push the copy button, and then we would go over back to Word, and we would open up a new Word file. Once we open up a new Word file, we would just paste that in. Now you can come in here and actually do some more editing, but really this is the creating a high converting sales letter. This would just be a chapter. So I'd come up here and I would make this a heading 1, right? And then you would just go on and do this for all the different chapters, rewrite your books. This will take you about 20 minutes to do. And then you'll have a unique book that is in good context, has good flow, and you can go ahead and submit this. Make sure you format it correct and all that. You can submit this. You could submit this to Amazon, and there's a really good chance it'll pass. Sometimes it gets flagged still. They're getting really strict with the content uploads now, as far as if it's a topic that they feel has already been done too much, then it might get flagged for content that is easily available online, blah, blah, blah. But generally speaking, this will get you to pass, and you can upload this to Amazon. You can upload this to Draft2 Digital, and you can use thousands of, you can come back over here to Bigproductstore and go to eBooks and just look at how many eBooks that you could do this with. We come through here, so there's 3, 6, 9, there's 12 on each page, and I don't even know how many. I think I did this one time before, and there's got to be like 8,000 ebooks. It just keeps going and going and going. It's too much work for one person to ever even attempt to try to do all this and upload all these to those sites. So this should keep you busy for a long time. These are 2 real methods that you can make money with PLR products. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button and make sure you're subscribed, because I will be coming out with more PLR related videos on this channel. So stick around and I'll see you in my next video.